Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Vim text editor on Linux Ubuntu. I'm going to type in vim test here, and you can see that it is not found, so we do not have Vim on the Ubuntu Docker container that comes default on GNS3. However, you can see that we do have VI installed, and now we're going to go through the steps in order to get this upgraded to Vim. First off, we can do the vi-version command to look at the version of VI that we have. And the next step is going to be removing vim-tiny. And we're going to do that with this command. All right, and the command is going to be apt remove -- assume -yes and then vim-tiny. And then the next step is going to be executing the apt update command. And the next step is going to be to install the full version of Vim with this command. There's going to be apt install assume yes vim, and now it's going to be installing Vim. And now we're going to verify the version again. And you can see that we're on an updated version. And then our last step of verification is just going to be opening up a file with the Vim editor. So we'll go vim test, and you can see that we are open in Vim. All right, so now that we have Vim installed on our Linux Ubuntu servers, in the next videos, we're going to start using the Vim editor. That concludes this video. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.